So guys, today we're gonna do some mini braids. With beads, and I went to the hair store today. I already had these beads, but I went to the hair store and I didn't cut the tops off, but I bought these, some clear ones, and some rubber bands. As you can see, my hair has been washed. I'm also using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture, the leave-in conditioner. Also, I bought this quick beater because I see that they didn't come with one. I'm also using an old Denman brush. I need to go get another one from Sally's, but this is my old Denman brush, a rat tail comb, and some rubber bands. So we're gonna just jump straight into it. This video I probably won't talk as much, but we're gonna do some mini braids with beads. Of course, this is a protective style for all you naturals, non-naturals. This is a protective style that will keep your hair safe. Let's just get into it. How about my part may not be straight. I'm gonna let y'all know that now. Parts may not be straight, but y'all get the point. You know, we doing this. It's not to be perfected. Use the blemish mark. Face is going through a change, maybe because my hair was actually filthy, so I have to pay the consequences for it. It's okay though. We're about to jump right in. Like I said, not gonna talk too much. Let's get into it. It's the putting the beads on the hair for me.
Eventually.
I didn't show y'all my hair. Let me show y'all my hair. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Yo, I love it. I need to put some oil on my scalp, but